Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to sign out of LinkedIn account. So let's get started with the video. So if you don't have this LinkedIn application, what you can do, you can open the Play Store, go to the search bar and search for LinkedIn and download this application, that is LinkedIn Jobs and Business News. So once you have installed this application and launched it, just make sure that you are signed in to your account. After that, you need to click at the upper left corner to your profile icon. Once you click on that, you will see a setting option at the below. You need to click on that. It will take you to this page. You need to scroll down till the end, and here you will get the last second option, that is of sign out. Click on this sign out. A pop-up window will appear which will ask, are you sure you want to sign out? You need to click on sign out. This is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.